How to restore the audio inside Davinci Resolve. I accidentally deleted the entire audio track. I managed to successfully restore a few of the clips, but let's see how to do the rest of them. By the way, I will restore it one by one. Unfortunately, I cannot do it for multiple clips at a time. So position the playhead, this red line, above the clip you want to restore. Here we have the play and pause button, and on the right side of those buttons we have this match frame icon. Click on that match frame, and whenever you move your cursor, notice those two icons appear. Since there is no audio, we have to drag the audio, that is the right side. Drag that one and drop it below that clip, and unfortunately nothing happens. To fix this problem, come here to the left side and click on this A1, and it should look like this one. It should have a red line around it. So click on A1 and now it should work. First this button, match frame, drag the right side, that's the audio, and drop it there. The next problem is, notice I can drop it wherever I want. So let's drop it outside a little bit and enable this snapping. Click on that one. And now with snapping it jumps exactly to the end and to the beginning of the clip. Okay, the next problem is the audio is moving freely and the video is not linked to it. So to fix that one, select both of them, the video and the audio, right click on them and link clips. And that's it, we just finished one single clip. And I have around 50 of them. So in the same manner you can do it. But by the way, the hotkey for this one, for match frame, is the letter F. And unfortunately F in my case is not match frame but full screen. So let's modify that one. Davinci Resolve, keyboard customization, and it's using my own keyboard layout. Don't use that one but use the default one, which is Davinci Resolve. And if I go to the F, notice it's match frame. So that's the command of that one. So save it and close it. So this is match frame. So position the playhead above the next clip. That selection doesn't matter, the playhead is which matters. Press F because that's the, how it's called, match frame. F and drag the audio. Drop it there. Select it. Right click, link clips, and that's done. Next one, F on the keyboard, drag the audio, drop it there, select, and Ctrl Alt L is the linking, and that's it. Do it for all of your clips.